Hi friends, this video is answering where to get started with mixed reality development using Unity. So to get started, you can go to the URL bit.ly/mixedrealitydocs. I'll have the link for you, and then where you go is to this page. And your first intuition might be to go to the I'm a developer section, but go to the jump in with Unity and MRTK. Mixed Reality Toolkit, also known as MRTK, is a set of components that helps you to get started with mixed reality development really fast for multiple platforms. So you can develop with it for HoloLens 1 or 2, but also you can develop for Android or iOS as well as Oculus. And here we have some prerequisites. One of them is Visual Studio 2019. So this is only necessary if you are developing for HoloLens. If you do, you can just go to this link to download it. And a few things that are important while you're downloading Visual Studio. I'm going to show you my Visual Studio installer. You have to download some of the necessary packages that come with it for mixed reality development. I do have Azure development, you don't have to, and Node.js, but the important ones is Universal Windows Platform Development. You have to check that one. And game development with Unity, you have to make sure that is checked as well. And .NET might be useful. And you can choose install. So I do have it installed. I'm not going to do that. And move on to the next step. The next step is Unity, and this is also not very straightforward, honestly. So if you go to the Unity page, this takes you to the archive, and you have options to download any of the Unity packages. And also, not only that, you have two options. Do you want to download the Unity or Unity Hub? The thing that you want to do is download Unity Hub. The reason is Unity is usually not backward compatible. Anytime a new version comes, some of your projects might not work directly in the new version. So what Unity Hub does is allows you to have multiple versions of Unity, so you can select the version that you want. This is how Unity Hub looks like. And when you open it, you have a list of your projects in the first page. And you can add a new one, add one or start a new project here, a 3D project, to do any mixed reality development. You can go see the tutorials or install. So as you can see, I have 3 different versions of Unity because of some of the projects that I have only works in 2018. And 2019.3 is the latest stable one. If you want to check out some of the versions that you might want to download, you can find them by clicking on Add and selecting the one that you want. We have, there are newer versions of Unity, as you can see, Unity 2020, but I strongly not recommend you to use it unless you want to become an expert in how to debug all of your problems, and it's really hard. So let's focus on building the mixed reality project today. Let's see, the last prerequisite is the version of Windows SDK. If you're up to date with the latest one, you should not worry, but if you need to, you can click here and go to the page to download. And if you are on a Mac device, you're still fine. You don't have to have a Windows device. You can use it to create mixed reality for iOS or Android. But if you want to develop anything for mixed reality headsets or HoloLens, you have to be using Windows machine. Next, we are going to take a look at the overall structure of Unity projects.